Hi guys, I have some really cute stamps to share with you. Also, the new lawn fawn is now shipping, so everything on the website is available and ready to ship. We have the new pink and mane. I have some Kindred stamps that came in that were back ordered from my last listing, so I'll share those with you. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order today. So this one's my favorite from the new release. This is pumpkin spice and I love it. I love this frappuccino. It's got a decoration of a pumpkin and this is a cool cup. It's got a little skull there and lots of whipped cream and this pumpkin cup and then the latte, and then there's a cupcake with a pumpkin there and a little bow, a piece of pie, and a donut with little pumpkins. So super cute. And then there's sentiments. Hey cutie pie, happy pumpkin spice season, wishing you pumpkin spice and everything nice. So these would look super cute, like just stamp them all out and put them all together. And then the coordinating die is available, and then you can see that it will cut out the inside of the donut and the handle on the cup, which I love that. This one's really cute too. Seasons of Change. Really cute bear holding a giant pumpkin. This little bird standing on the pumpkin with a little scarf. A little squirrel with a scarf holding a pile of leaves. This cute pumpkin. Some acorns. This really cute fox holding a pumpkin. And then another pumpkin with a little jack-o'-lantern face. Sending comforting thoughts in this season of change, a note of gratitude and happy fall. And then there is a coordinating die available. Then we have Fall Friends. Really cute. Cute little hedgehog in all different poses there. I love this one where he's holding the cup of coffee. He's got a little fall outfit on. This one's playing in the leaves. He's got a sunflower, he's got a barrel of apples, and this one's popping out of the pumpkin. We've got autumn greetings, hello friend, and you warm my heart. So cute. And then the coordinating die. I thought this set was really cute, and I'm sure they're going to come out with different seasons that you can decorate this wreath. So that'll be really fun. So we've got the wreath, and then we've got the word hello, and then this is the little add-on die, so you could decorate it for fall and Halloween. So you can see there's lots of detail, so it will cut out a face for you here on the pumpkin, the ghost, and then the owl. Super cute. There's some stitching on this little pumpkin here. And that's going to be really cute just to put those little icons on your wreath and decorate it for each season. I hope they do that. And you can glossy accents these to make them shiny. Whatever you want to do, it's going to look really cute. And then a great cover all plate die. This little basket weave. Really pretty. I did pick up some pumpkin spice pattern paper because it's going to go perfect with these cute little stamps, and Pink and Mane's paper is very nice quality. Here's a great die. Let's see if there's a name on here. The Stitched Top Note die. And then there's a great stencil. I love how they did this, where they use the inside of the stencil. And then there's cloud shapes. So if you just want to make a cloud shape instead of a bunch of clouds, you can use the inside of the stencil. And then the outside has the cloud shape. So this is great to use with your blender brushes, your oxide inks, your distress inks. You can use this with any inks as well. So for Kindred stamps, this one is the holidays are a nightmare stamp. So really cute. And then there's sentiments. Super cute. Great for Halloween and Christmas. Then we have Stay Golden. So you get these golden girls here. And then Sentiments and Piece of Pie. Really fun. This one is the Galactic Adventures the Third. So I do have another one in stock that goes with this one. And then we've got this very, very large one here. I don't think the name of it is on the stamp, and I forgot what it was called. But you'll see it on the site. Just click on Kindred Stamps. It'll be one of the new ones I've listed. And then this one, I believe these two go together. Very, very large stamps. So these are really, really large stamps. You're going to have some nice size images in these. So I'll have the links down below to the Kindred Stamps section and the Pink and Main section. Don't forget to check out the new Lawn Fawn. They got a lot of new cute stamps and dies. I still have plenty in stock. Don't forget to use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks guys for shopping, and have a great day. Bye guys!